Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Guyanese chow mein. First, let's talk about the foundation, the noodles. You'll want to use thin, dried egg noodles or even spaghetti works well. Boil them until they're perfectly al dente, then drain and give them a quick rinse with cold water. This stops the cooking process and keeps them from clumping. We'll also prepare a simple, flavorful sauce with soy sauce, browning, and a hint of sesame oil. Next, let's prepare our proteins and vegetables. For protein, thinly sliced chicken breast, succulent shrimp, or tender beef are excellent choices. Marinate your protein for at least 30 minutes in a blend of soy sauce, minced garlic, grated ginger, and a pinch of white pepper to infuse it with flavor. For the vegetables, shred cabbage, carrots, and bell peppers into thin strips and chop some fresh green onions. These vibrant additions bring both color and crunch to your chow mein. Now for the exciting part, the stir-fry. Heat a large wok or pan over high heat with about 2 tablespoons of oil until it's shimmering. First, stir-fry your marinated protein in batches until it's perfectly cooked, then remove it from the pan. Next, add the harder vegetables like carrots and bell peppers, cooking them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, toss in the shredded cabbage and green onions, stir-frying until they are just tender crisp. Finally, let's bring it all together for that perfect Guyanese chow mein. Return your cooked protein and the prepared noodles to the wok with the stir-fried vegetables. Pour in your pre-mixed sauce and toss everything together vigorously, ensuring every strand of noodle and every piece of vegetable is beautifully coated. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly. Garnish with fresh, chopped green onions or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, and serve your delicious chow mein hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.